Welcome back. The proposed bill on banning Goan youth's entry into casinos may find itself in a dispute. Representatives of casinos are confused over the definition of Goans. They have asked for proper guidelines from the government on Goans before issuing any notification. On the other side, section of people have criticized the government's move of allowing non-Goans into casinos, which they say will encourage gambling in the state.
मनोहर पर्रीकारान सांगला की गोंयकारांक खेळूंक दिवचो ना, ओन्ली टुरिस्ट कॅन प्ले. मनोहर पर्रीकारान आपल्या भारतीय जनता पक्ष पार्टीचे नाव बदलून फक्त गोवा जनता पक्ष दवरपाचे. भारत हो ताचो देश, भारत हो म्हजो देश. भारतीय लोकांक कॅसिनोन खेळपाची पाड सवय घालपाची, ते पैसे जोडपाचे आनी ताचे वयल्यान असली लाडली लक्ष्मी स्किमी करपाच्यो. आमच्या चलयांचे लग्न जाले जर असले पैसे जावन तांचे केन्नाच बरें जावचे ना. हे धोरण अँटी नॅशनल धोरण की गोवाक पैसे मेळपा खातीर इंडियाच्या लोकांक तुम्ही वाईट सवय लावपाचे. अराष्ट्रीय धोरण हे भाजप सरकारचे अशें म्हजें स्पष्ट मत आसा.
The representative of Casino Pride, Srinivas Naik, feels that government should consider practical difficulties of the casino industry. He has raised questions. Does government intend to discourage gambling or discourage casinos?
Who is Goan? The definition of Goan. What is the definition of Goan? He would make an entry for those who can afford to play casino or whose income is above a particular bracket. I mean, that is a very wise and nice decision, because they also have a fundamental right. I mean, can Goan not decide what is good and what is bad for himself?
Srinivas Naik also said that the casino representatives should be taken into confidence before notifying any such bill.
Before implementing or bringing such a bill, at least the representatives of the Casino Association should have been taken into confidence, and our practical difficulties, if any, in implementing.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The fear of Calvi bus tragedy still rules the minds of people at Calvi even after 5 months. Parents complain that the government has not taken any preventive measures even after the tragic incident. They have demanded that government provide proper transport to the school children and stressed to expedite the project of Calvi Bridge.
The Calvi bus tragedy on 18 February 2012 has left its sad memories in mind of Aldonkars. The loss of 6 children is still ruling people's mind. But seems like episode is a history for state administration. No preventive measures taken as yet. Everything seems same except this speed breaker. Now you can see worried and cautious parents personally dropping and picking up the kids. Here are their demands.
Still there is no safety. If you go to see on the other side, only one speed breaker is put. What was promised by the authorities, government authorities, till date, nothing has been done. There is no barricades put, buses are coming directly how they used to come, and whenever someone, parents and all, somebody questions these bus drivers, they give rude answers. Still, whatever was going on before, it is still going on.
कालवेच्या आणि पोणेच्या लोकांक भुरग्यां खातीर कितें तरी करूंक जाय सीएमान. आमकां बस एकदम गरजेची. आमच्यान सद्दां फेरीबोट क्रॉस करून हाडूंक जायना तांकां. आमी पूल जायसर रावता तरी जावन पूल जालें म्हणटा आमकां बस तरी जाय.
मी हाडपाक वेता पळय मात्री तिची नजो पूण ती तिच्या नातीक हाडपाक वेता. पूण आतां आमकां गमलें खबर की ओबीसी आहा पळय तांकांच ती बस म्हण.
आमकां ओन भुरग्यांक आमच्या हाडचेर पडटा न्हू. त्या खातीर
प्रायवेट बसीचेर बीन
प्रायवेट आमी हाडना न्हू. आमकां भरोसोच ना न्हू प्रायवेट बसीचेर. प्रायवेट बसीचेर आमकां हेंच ना, खातीर ना. तरी आसतना ते आयज तुमी आहा म्हणून ते रामपार येवंक ना, नाल्यार सारके रामपार येतात ते.
Locals claim that Calvi Bridge work is in progress, but till then, interim safety measure is in need of hour for Aldonkars. A reporter from Calvi, Shamsundar Fatti.
The commotion between New Market fish vendors and the SGPDA fish vendors continues at Madgaon. New Market fish vendors demand permission to carry out business at the New Market, whereas SGPDA fish vendors demand that no fish sale should be allowed anywhere outside the SGPDA market. Municipal officials are supporting the SGPDA vendors' demand.
हे आता सगळे ऑर्डर आम्ही घेवपाचे सगळे काउन्सिलर रेजोल्यूशन घेतले. सगळे ऑर्डर झाला. एक 10 तरी जॉईंट समज वर्ड नंबर आता एक 5 and 6 5 and 6 दोघांमध्ये एक सेटल मार्केट जावपाचें त्या भायर गांवां कितें भाजी जाता हें जाता तें लागून तें रेजोल्यूशन घेवन करपाचें.
Both the groups of fisherfolk gathered at the Margao Municipal Council pressing their demands. One group of New Market fish vendors demand that they should be allowed to sit at the same place where they have been carrying business for past almost 12 years.
आनी आमकां जायना आमगे पडपा वचपाचें आनी पडपा खावपाचें आमी गेले ना आमकां जायना आमी गांवा रस्त्यार पावसांनी वत घेवन आमी काटाय कितें वर्स काडली पावसांत आनी वतात
11 वर्सां जालीं 11 वर्सां पयले फावट आमी म्युनिसिपालिटीन येयल्या आमकां त्रास जाता अशें आमच्या पोटार कोण आनी गाडो येवन पावोन दवरता म्हणून कितें आमकां नाका अशें जाल्लें म्हणून आमी पत्ती म्युनिसिपालिटी हाडला सगलो लोक येयला चड आसा तुमी बायल म्युनिसिपालिटीन आपूण हांव जाय जाल्यार आमी बंद करताले
मडगांवच्या लोकांक थिंग नुस्तें मार्केट आसा परस हिंगा एक कडेन नुस्तें मेळना जाय कित्याक कितें म्हळ्यार सॅटेलायट मार्केट हें कर म्हणे सॅटेलायट फीश मार्केट म्हणजे एक कडेन थोडे जाणां करचें म्हणटा.
Margao police and municipal officials had a hard time controlling and convincing both the groups. Our reporter from Margao, Savio Dias.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.